This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study for Maths QIT. Start by diagnosing your strengths and weaknesses with a timed diagnostic test to set priorities. Build a study plan that focuses on core concepts first, then drills problem types you struggle with. Use active recall, spaced repetition, and short timed practices daily. Track progress and adjust intensity based on clear metrics so your study remains efficient and focused regularly. Start by mastering foundational topics like algebra, calculus, and coordinate geometry, ensuring conceptual clarity before solving problems. Break topics into small modules and teach them aloud or to a peer to test understanding. Use concise summary notes and formula sheets for quick revision. Relate new ideas to simple examples, then generalize. Prioritize understanding the why behind methods rather than memorizing steps, and revisit difficult concepts frequently to deepen retention. Quick recommendation: if you want a small mood booster between study sessions, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh car scent and a smile. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more study tips. Check the description for the link and other deals on recommended items. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Set a consistent practice routine that mixes timed past papers, topic tests, and error correction sessions to build speed and accuracy. Start each practice with a clear goal, such as improving speed on integration or accuracy on sequences. After every test, analyze errors and create a short plan to fix them in the next week. Include weekly full papers under exam conditions and rest days to prevent burnout and consolidate learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.